Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Prashanti's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today we're going to showcase how to make a traditional Punjabi dal, which is dal makhani. Now for dal makhani, actually it's a very traditional dal which was made in the regions of India and Pakistan. Now predominantly it's made more in the Punjab region, but popularized through the world. Let's quickly see what sort of items we require, ingredients we require to make the dal makhani. This is rajma in Hindi, or you also call it as red kidney beans. You need 1/3 cup of red kidney beans. You need whole black lentils or urad ki dal, 1 cup of this. So it's 1:3. Then you'll need some cinnamon stick, some cloves. You also need green cardamom, bay leaf, black cardamom, cumin seeds. Again, now this is tej patta, hari ilaichi, kali ilaichi, zeera, cinnamon stick, that is dalchini, and long. You need some oil, it's a medium of cooking. Then ginger garlic paste, about a cube of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic, roughly coarsely ground. This is the paste of, this is not a puree, just a paste of 3 tomatoes. And in dry spices, you need about a teaspoonful of cumin powder, that is jeera powder, a teaspoonful of dhania powder, that is coriander powder, a spoonful of chili powder. Then also you need turmeric, haldi. You need a half spoon of garam masala, about a tablespoon of butter. You need some whisked fresh cream, about a teaspoon or tablespoon of whisked cream, and ginger juliennes for decoration. The first step in making a dal makhani is wherein you soak kidney beans, rajma, and black gram for about 6 to 7 hours at least in warm water, and you boil them, you pressure cook them with salt. Pressure cook them for about, if you're using a pressure cooker, for about 10 whistles or so. That's when they start looking like this. I've already done it. This is how it looks. This is post boil, soaking and boiling. Now let's proceed with the procedure. Let's start making dal. So let's start making the dal makhani. Let's turn the flame on. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add all of these whole spices, that is cumin seeds, zeera, badi ilaichi or kali ilaichi, black cardamom, bay leaves, that is tej patta, then cinnamon sticks, dalchini, long cloves, green cardamom, hari ilaichi. All of this. I love this aroma. It's already smelling yummy. All of these spices. Now once they start sizzling, we can add the ginger garlic paste. It's a rough paste. Let's wait for this to lose all of its raw smell. Once it gets a little aromatic, it will start smelling yummy. Now I'm going to add the tomato puree to this, actually the tomato paste. It's the paste of 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I didn't blanch the tomatoes, so it's not a proper puree. Dal makhani is one of the most famous dishes of India. It's rich, it's very rich, at the same time it's very yummy and also easy to make. So one of the most popular dishes that is ordered through the restaurants. Now you can make a yummy dal makhani at home and surprise your family. This is going to take a while. See, the tomatoes have reduced. They started oozing out oil in the edges. It means they are done. Time for us to add the dry spices. I'm going to add the turmeric powder. Then I'm also going to add the chili powder, haldi, lal mirch, and then I'm also adding the coriander powder, dhania powder, and jeera powder, that is cumin powder. Let's roast these masalas just for a few minutes, and then we are ready to put in the dal which we have boiled. Yes. Now this will start getting a nice texture and a lovely color. The black lentils, the urad dal, have a nice texture, which give a nice smooth finish to the dal. Now this has to cook for a couple of minutes. A couple of minutes as in wherein the dal starts boiling, and we can finish it off as soon as it's done. Here. The dal has boiled, it's ready. At this stage I'm adding salt. Now salt is according to your individual taste, but approximately this will require 2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoons of salt. You can check for salt and add some more if you want. I'm throwing in some cubes of butter. This dish is called dal makhani. Makhan means butter. So this is the stage when the makhan is entering the dish. And I'm also going to throw in some whisked cream. Now this is cooking cream. Now the whisked cream, before the whisked cream I also need to add the garam masala powder. Yes. This is about half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. And now it's the turn for cream. It's about, I'm going to save some for the final decoration. That's all. So look at the lovely color it has gotten. Super. It looks amazing. My mouth is watering already. So now I have plated out the dal makhani. Let's quickly finish it off because presentation is all the more important. You eat with your eyes first, don't you? This is the remaining cream. I'm just going to add this in the center. Take a toothpick and that's it. And top it up with some ginger juliennes. Here we are. This is dal makhani, restaurant style. Well, actually the authentic Punjabi style. This can be eaten with any sort of bread, that is roti or naan, and actually dal is basically eaten with rice. It can also be eaten with steamed rice, white rice. Enjoy making dal makhani at home, and please do write in how this recipe is. Waiting for your response. Till then, Healthy eating, happy cooking. Take care.